Hi there. What I'd like to do today is to talk about how to make a discussion, or how to post a discussion. I guess that would be a better way of saying it. To do so, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on the Add Materials. I am on your whatever course page you're on. You're going to have this box right up here. It says Add Materials. Go ahead, that. What you'll get is a pull-down menu, and what you want to select is this Add Discussion. If you click on Add Discussion, this is the box that's going to open up. Now, the rich text editor that you see all along here, one of the things that I've noticed about Schoology is they're trying to uniform this for all of the different text functions that they have. So if you're creating a page or an assignment, you're going to see this same set of buttons, and it's a set of editing buttons. You've got bold, italic, underlined. Here you can add different pieces, a picture, a video, things like that. So what you're going to want to do is you want to add a title to your discussion. What do you want to call it? And here's where you put the body of the discussion. If you want to copy text into this, you can do that, or you can type in here. If you have a link, this button right here is a link that you can bring something into it. But once you get the discussion posed, what you're going to do is come down and click on the calendar that you have right here. When you do that, a little calendar will pop up, and you can set a due date for when you want this discussion to be completed by. For example, in my astronomy classes, I usually gave them a weekly discussion probe, and I would select the Friday of the week as that was the last time that they could post on it. So you select the date, and that will come up in the box up here. Other buttons here, if I have two different classes or three different classes of the same class, I can copy to a course. If I click this button right down here, it'll come up, what course do you want to copy it to, and you just click the courses that pop up. The button you might be interested. This one is interesting because you can keep the discussion blank until someone has made an entry on it. Once that's happened, then they can see the rest of the entries that students have made. Now, sometimes it's appropriate to use that. This button right here is for making the discussion visible to students. So if you create this and don't click on this button, kids aren't going to be able to see it. It'll go into your material index, but it won't be active on the website. Once you've done all that and click Create, this is where you should see discussion if it's active. You've got this double blue and orange box. You click on that, and that should bring up the discussion. And I think I showed an example of this in the Welcome to Alexandria. This is actually the discussion probe that I've created for that. Okay? So again, if you have questions about how to do this, I would go to the Schoology Help Center and click on Instructor Guide and go to Discussions, and they will walk you through basically the same steps that I've just explained. So, thank you very much.